Best practice for extensions. You want other people to be able to extend your solution in a safe, robust, and maintainable way. There are a few best practices that you should follow to create extensible solutions in X++. Write extensible classes. Keep the following in mind, in order to design classes that are resilient to changes in the long run. Every public and protected method is an extensibility point in X++. Start the name of the extension class with the name of the type that is being augmented, and end the name with the term _extension. Don't name extension just element that is being extended _extension. For example, an extension class that augments invent location table must not be named invent location _extension, because the risk of conflict is high. Write extensible tables. Tables have a rich extension model that lets the extenders to add fields, field groups, indexes, relations, methods, and more. For the table extension, replace the model name after dot, in order to avoid the conflicts. Add the new fields into the newly created field group. Avoid unique indexes that are likely to be changed either now or in the future. Avoid calling do insert, do update, and do delete methods. These methods prevent the data events from being raised and make your table harder to extend. Instead, call the methods insert, update, and delete. Write extensible forms. In general, the guidelines for writing extensible methods also apply to form methods. Consider using field groups whenever possible. In this way, independent software vendors, ISVs, can add their fields for free when they extend a field group. Set the data source and data group in Properties window. Verify that the field list is updated under the grid control in the form. Also use the form patterns wherever it is possible. General Development Guidelines. Do not use hard-coded values or labels. Values should be retrieved from the database. Create a new label file in the custom model. Set the unique label IDs in the label file. Few other guidelines. Fixed strings should use a macro. All modifications should have comments describing what the code is performing. If you are modifying existing object, then have a source code backup taken before starting development. Keep a practice to take a DB backup before starting new development or modification. Always take the backup of your daily work and perform build and synchronization of your project. Make sure project is error-free.